got some problems with my mom, but I've got to stay at her place. I'm calling up Hunter to talk me off the ledge again. I stopped taking my medicine. It all came rushing back in.